Hello Peanut Peeps! This is episode 2 of how I create wildlife videos. Today is another setup. It's the video file type and frame size and frame rate. On the first episode I covered AFF. I'm going to try to put out a video once a week or maybe a little longer to cover setups so you can get going. I'm thinking in 5 episodes I should have covered the required setups. Then I'll follow with more videos that will help with your videos, but not required to get going. There are quite a few file types to choose from. My suggestion is to use H.265 8-bit to start off with, because this file type is computer friendly for 4K 120. You can always change this setting later as you progress and test things out. If you have a high performance computer, then you should be able to use any file type. Some of the other file types, unless you have a high performance computer, may be difficult to play back. Personally, I've used H.265 8-bit on some of the videos that I have here on YouTube, and I think it looks pretty good. I started off using a 2016 MacBook Pro, and I've had trouble playing back the footage using H.265 10-bit on QuickTime. It played back a little choppy and was not smooth, and it was frustrating. Since then, I have upgraded to a Mac Studio recently because I needed something faster for editing, and now I use H.265 10-bit. I don't notice any difference with my bare eye, but 10-bit gives more shades of color. I'm not an expert on this, so I put a link to someone who explains this more in depth. 4K gives great detail, and 120 frames allows you to do smooth slow motion. For fast moving subjects, slow motion helps you to see detail that you would not be able to see at normal speeds sometimes. For frame size and frame rate, I always shoot 4K 120 for my wildlife videos. The videos that I'm doing right now of myself, I'm using 4K 60. First, let's get into video mode. Let's move the photo video selector to the right. To set up video file types, press the menu button on the rear of the camera. Go to the video recording menu and the video file type. Here you can select the file type you want. I'm going to select H.265 8-bit. Still in the video recording menu, go down to frame size and frame rate. I'm going to select 2160-120, which is 4K 120 UHD. Another way to choose frame size and frame rate is to press the I button on the rear of the camera. Here you can select from the menu. Okay, this is what I use for video file type and frame size and frame rate. See you next time on Peanut Chew Adventures.